Hi everyone, welcome to Threads and Fads. Today, I'll show you how to make a string doormat. Here are the needed materials. If you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started with today's project. Start by creating a tiny hole at the end of the string. And then place the string over the first nail. Next, loop the string over the second nail on the opposite side. Continue looping the string alternately over the nails until you reach the last one. When you reach the corner, tie a different colored string for the design. Repeat the process by looping the string alternately. If you run out of string, tie another piece and continue looping. At the next corner, tie another colored string and continue the looping process. The fun part is experimenting with various color combinations. For the final corner, tie another colored string and continue looping. When you reach the last nail, make a hole in the string and put it on the nail. Turn the frame so the end strings are at the bottom right corner. Now, it's time to weave the strings. Here's how to do it. First, clip the first and second nails to keep the strings in place. Next, slide 2 strings upward from underneath and begin weaving the topmost layer by going over and under. Repeat the process until all strings are woven. Adjust the spacing of the strings by pushing them upward with a crochet hook. Once all strings are woven, it's time to crochet the edges. Start by interlocking the end strings. Once secured, continue crocheting the sides. Make sure to interlock the corners twice. Continue crocheting until all edges are completed. Lastly, to secure the woven strings, tie the ends to prevent unraveling. And here's the finished string doormat, ready for use. That's it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. See you in the next one.